Hey, we're here at UNB Customs inside the garment spray booth where all the custom paint work happens. This is UNB Whitcamp, the main custom painter. What all do you guys paint here?
We do track conversion, bike painting, and a few hot rods.
Do you collision repair?
Yeah, if you have an unfortunate incident with your trike or bike, we do collision repair, fiberglass work, fiberglass repair, and match the paint back to your original ride.
Nice. This one looks like it's going on a new bike.
Yeah, this is a 2011 CVO. We painted to match the paint scheme that was on the original CVO. This way it looks like a factory unit. All the same paint flows right through the trike body.
Yeah, you even got you got the two-tone there, you got the metal flake, the pinstriping. Looks like you got all that stuff on there.
Yes, we like to do custom repair on your bike. Say you want a minor touch-up, or if you want a complete custom paint job on your bike, we can do it all here at UNB Customs.